Hello, welcome everyone. Now I'm going to solve a question for you. The question is two capacitors, 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad. They are connected to each other seriously. Then the group is connected to 90 volt potential difference battery, as you see in figure. If the capacitors are disconnected from each other and the battery without losing energy, then they are reconnected as A and B. Find the amount of storage charge in any place of capacitor. It's asking amount of storage charge in any place of capacitors. So if I say this one is C1, so this one is Q1, this one is C2, so this one is Q2, let's say Q1 and Q2. Their symbols of charge. And so for initial time connection, I have to calculate the charge of each one of them. Q1 and Q2, they are equals to each other, series to each other. So I have to calculate C equivalence, and for the series combination, I have a shortcut for the C equivalence. C equivalence is equals to C1 times C2 over C1 plus C2, and it will be 3 times 6 over 3 plus 6, so 18 over 9, it will be 2 microfarad. And what about the charge? Q total C equivalence times delta V. C equivalence is equals to 2 microfarad times delta V is equals 90, so it will be 180 microcoulomb. Q total is equals to Q1 is equal to Q2. And now let's check the question. And it has charge initially 180 microcoulomb, 180 microcoulomb. But now they are reconnected in parallel. So Q total is equals to Q1 plus Q2. So it will be 180 plus 180, so it will be 360 microcoulomb. And so to calculate Q1 and Q2, I need potential difference. And for the potential difference, I need C equivalence. C equivalence here, 6 plus 3, so it will be 9 microfarad. And V1, potential of the first one, potential difference of the second one. Why? Because they are parallel to each other. So it will be, what's the potential difference? Q over C. Total Q in the group 360 over total charge in the group 9. So potential difference will be 40 volt. So Q1 is equals to C1 times V1. C1 is 6 microfarad times V1 40, it will be 240 microcoulomb. And Q2 will be C2 times V2, it will be 3 times 40, 120 microcoulomb. And I know Q total is equal to Q1 plus Q2, 360. Before reconnection, parallel. And when it's parallel, we have to recalculate it. Charge will change. So one of it becomes 240, the other one 120. Sum of them 360, so we are correct. Solve the B. And for the B, as you see, they are parallel, but there is a negative charge and there is a positive charge. And there is the right side, there are negative and positive. Left side, there are positive and negative charge. We calculate the charge 180 microcoulomb for this one, 180 microcoulomb for this one. So they are connected parallel but oppositely. Q total going to be 0. Why? This charge and this charge, when they meet here, when they are moving to here, at that point they will cancel each other because positive and negative. And when this one moves to here and this one moves to here, also at that point, these will cancel each other. So total charge will be 0. Thanks for listening.